go off to the side. So the commander is on, it's magnetic. Put that in right here. I'm coming a little bit closer and looking here. Look at the cable management, all that's cabled, all that's up. This is as best as this could get based on the space. And this just goes on a magnet. And then you go in here, center that up, make sure the cables aren't whatever. Of course I dropped the screw now. All right. Best as that cable management is going to get until we switch cases. Put the back on it. Put the top on it. I'll turn it around. Because I'm going to turn off the light so that we can see what it looks like. Power. Plug in the video card. Oh my goodness. There we go. Turn that off. Turn that off. And keep it in frame. And then it boots up white. I don't know why the purple's there. I could probably fix that in the Commander Pro. But I had to install the iCUE software because if not, these were multicolored and then these were white. So without the iCUE software, it wasn't setting up right. So the NZXT app works fine, and you can change the color in the middle. Obviously, it goes to purple. The RGB on this is working again. All the fans, all that's plugged into the Commander Pro. All these are plugged into the big Commander Pro, and then this one, the RGB is plugged into the old one that you had, and they're daisy chained together. So when you open the iCUE app, it shows both. It shows both the little one and the big one, and then the three fans. These three fans are running off of the Kraken. So these three fans are controlled by the Kraken. The rest of these six fans are controlled by the Commander Pro. So everything is working. And then obviously the cabling is what it is because that connector, there's nothing you can do about it. And that's it. You can end it.